YouTube has been around for over a decade now and has emerged as a powerful tool for content creators to showcase their talents, expertise, and interests. However, what many people don't know is that YouTube can also be an excellent platform to make money online. We'll share some secret hacks and techniques that can help individuals maximize their earnings through YouTube. Types of content covered. The types of content that can be monetized on YouTube are vast and varied. From tutorials to reviews, vlogs to gaming, cooking to music, and many more, there is no limit to the kind of content that can be created and monetized on YouTube. YouTube monetization strategies. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. The most common methods are Adsense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. We'll discuss each of these in detail below. Adsense. Adsense is the most well-known way to monetize your YouTube channel. Once your channel is approved for monetization, YouTube will place ads on your videos. You'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad or watches it for at least 30 seconds. The amount you earn per ad click or view varies depending on several factors, such as the ad's length, type, and the advertiser's budget. Sponsorships. Sponsorships are another great way to monetize your YouTube channel. Many companies are willing to pay content creators to feature their products or services in their videos. You can negotiate a deal with the sponsor, where you'll receive a fixed amount of money or a percentage of sales made through your affiliate link. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate link. For example, if you're a beauty YouTuber, you can promote beauty products and include your affiliate link in the video description. If someone buys the product through your link, you'll earn a commission. Secret hacks and techniques. Here are some secret hacks and techniques that can help you maximize your earnings on YouTube. 1. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. 2. Promote your videos on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to expand your reach and gain new subscribers. 4. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, holding Q&A sessions, and creating polls to get their feedback. 5. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles to grab your viewers' attention and increase your click-through rate. Case studies. Here are some examples of successful YouTubers who have used these hacks and techniques to monetize their channels. 1. Zoe Sugg, better known as Zoella, is a beauty and lifestyle YouTuber with over 11 million subscribers. She monetizes her channel through Adsense, sponsorships, and her own product line. 2. Ryan Kaji, a 10-year-old YouTuber, has over 29 million subscribers and is known for reviewing toys. He earns millions of dollars per year through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. 3. Casey Neistat, a filmmaker and vlogger, has over 12 million subscribers and monetizes his channel through sponsorships and his own product line. YouTube requires patience, dedication, and hard work, but the rewards can be significant. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, it's essential to keep creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience to grow your channel and increase your revenue. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube journey today, and who knows, you might just become the next big thing on the platform.